If you've ever avoided cooking something just because you didn't have the time or patience, you're not alone. Waiting for food to cook the traditional way can feel like a daily frustration, especially when you're hungry and tired. That's exactly where the universal 6.3 quart stainless steel pressure cooker comes into the picture. This is a stovetop pressure cooker built for busy home cooks who want faster meals without complicating their kitchen routine. It's designed to simplify pressure cooking with an easy lock system, while also doubling as a regular cooking pot when you need it. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the design feels practical and well thought out. It has that clean stainless steel look that blends into almost any kitchen, but more importantly, it feels sturdy without being overly heavy. The handles are comfortable to grip, and the lid mechanism stands out right away. Instead of struggling with alignment or forcing it into place, the easy lock system makes sealing the cooker feel smooth and straightforward. That's something beginners will appreciate immediately. The stainless steel build isn't just about durability, it actually affects how you cook. It distributes heat more evenly than cheaper materials, which means fewer burnt spots and more consistent results. It also doesn't hold onto odors or flavors from previous meals, so you can switch from something like a curry to a simple soup without any weird aftertaste. The included glass lid is a nice bonus, too. It turns this into a regular pot, which means you're not just buying a pressure cooker. You're getting something you can use daily for multiple cooking styles. In terms of performance, this cooker delivers where it matters most. Foods that typically take a long time, like beans, lentils, or tougher meats, cook much faster, which can completely change how you approach meal prep. Instead of planning, you can make decisions closer to mealtime and still get everything done quickly. The pressure builds consistently, and once you understand how to adjust your stove's heat, the process becomes pretty predictable. Noise-wise, it behaves like most stovetop pressure cookers. There's some steam release and a bit of sound when pressure builds, but nothing that feels overwhelming or unsafe. It's controlled and manageable, which makes it easier to trust if you're new to pressure cooking. Cleaning is also simple. The stainless steel interior doesn't cling to food too much, and the removable parts make it easy to rinse and maintain without extra effort. There are a lot of strong points here. Versatility is probably the biggest one. Being able to switch between pressure cooking and regular cooking with a glass lid adds real value. The safety system also gives you peace of mind, especially if you're hesitant about using pressure cookers. And the 6.3 quart size hits a practical balance. It's large enough for family meals, but still manageable for everyday use. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like any stovetop pressure cooker, this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it appliance. You'll need to monitor heat levels, which might not appeal to everyone. Also, while the design is solid, it doesn't have the premium polish of higher-end brands. It's functional first, which work for most people, but if you're looking for something more high-end, there are other options out there. When you compare it to similar pressure cookers in this price range, this one stands out for its balance of simplicity and versatility. Some cheaper models lack the extra features like a glass lid or feel less intuitive to use. On the other hand, more expensive options might offer slightly better finishes or branding, but not necessarily a better everyday cooking experience. This one focuses on practicality, which is what most people actually need. So who is this for? If you want a reliable, straightforward pressure cooker that also doubles as a regular pot, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially good for small to medium families or anyone trying to make home cooking faster and more flexible. But if you prefer fully automated cooking or want something ultra premium, you might want to explore other options. If this helped you figure out whether this pressure cooker fits your needs, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more honest, real-world reviews. And if you're ready to spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meals, check out the link in the description and see if this one fits into your kitchen routine.